How to log into Sparkasse online banking account. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. So today I'm going to teach you on how you can go ahead and log into your Sparkasse online banking account. So for that, you need to open the official website of Sparkasse, or you can directly go ahead and open the login portal. For that, you need to go to sparkasse-ulm.de. Hit enter in your keyboard and this will take you to this kind of interface where you can directly enter your login name in this box. Once you do that, tap on continue, which is highlighted in red color. Now go ahead and enter your password or PIN that is associated with your account. And once you do that, you can toggle the switch in order to save your login information. If you're using a public computer, do not toggle this option for security measures. And after you enter your correct login name and your password or PIN associated with your account, tap on login, which is highlighted in red color, and you'll be done. This is how you can go ahead and log into your Sparkasse online banking account. So if you found this guide helpful, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.